Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna be unboxing Redragon K605 Alien. So as you guys see, I already have it on my table. It's really massive, so I will just open it and I will try to be careful. You open it from the top like this. And then you slide it out like that. I'll try to be careful not for it to fall. And as you will see right now, there's that giant keyboard. It's really massive, but it's really cool. I will just unbox it. You have some instructions already for battles, stickers, instructions, and the keyboard. As you guys see, I will just take it out to show you. Whoa, wait guys, I'll just place it right here. So as you guys see, compared to a normal keyboard, it's really huge. I have a difference right here. I can show you a normal one. That is literally so huge. And that should be it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.